Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our lecture is to understand Microsoft Excel, the basics of Microsoft Excel. Before starting on Microsoft Excel, you have to learn its interface first. In interface, the first thing is quick access toolbar in which my cursor is presented there, and the second option is the tab bars. In each tab there is a ribbon. You can see here that these are called ribbons, and these are home, insert, page layout and formulas. These are called tabs, and sub menus, these are called ribbons. If you click on that cell, if you click on each cell, then you can see that here is the box which you can see the name box. Here is the name also, and the next thing in front of that is the formula bar. If you write on that, click on that, then you can see that the formula bar is open, and you can see here the all information of formulas. The next thing is that columns. These are called columns A, B, C, D, E, and if you click on that column, then the whole column is selected. And the left side, on the left side, these are called rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you click on that, then the whole row is selected. If you click on a cell, then you can see in name box, this is the location of cell. This is called F6, and F is the column and the 6 is row. This is called the location of cell. If you work on that sheet, if you click on the next sheet, next step sheet, then you can click on the plus, and these numeric sheets are created here. And if you work on that, this is called the zoom bars. You can zoom here your spreadsheet, and if you click on that plus, the zoom bar is working. If you click on the manage, the zoom bar is negative. This effects is only works on cells, not on the ribbons or menu bars, or you can see the quick access bar. So if you want to create maximum sheets, then you have to click on plus and plus. This will create a new sheets. Here you can check. So this is the introduction of Microsoft Excel. Keep on watching. Thank you for watching.